Hi team. In the last video, we learned about Appium architecture and how Appium works. So in this video, we will cover Appium installation and setup. So let's get started. So to do the Appium setup, first we need to complete few prerequisites. So in that, first of all, obviously we should have a laptop with 8 GB RAM and 256 GB SSD. Such laptops will be good for learning plus basic testing. But if you want to work on real world, if you want to do some real world work, or if you want to do advanced level mobile automation with emulators, so in that case you need to have a laptop with at least 16 GB RAM and 512 GB of SSD. And after that, we need to install Node.js. Why Node.js? Because Appium itself is written in JavaScript and runs on Node.js. So Node.js is required to run the Appium server. And then we will be installing the Java. We need to install the JDK as we will be writing our test automation scripts in Java language. So we will install the JDK. Then to write the code, we need to have some IDE. So there are many different IDEs available in the market. You can use any one of them. We have like Eclipse IDE or IntelliJ IDE. So you can go with your preferences in case of IDE. So after installing IDE, we need to install the Android Studio as well. So once we complete these prerequisites, then we can install the Appium. So once we install the Appium, then we need to install the Appium drivers as well. These drivers will help us to do the platform specific testing. So we need to install UI Automator 2 for Android automation and XUI test for iOS automation. And then we need to install Appium inspector to find the locators of the elements. And after that, we need to connect our Android device. So for now, we are skipping iOS. We will only focus on Android automation. So we'll see how we can connect our Android device. And once all this installation part done, then we need to verify the setup. So to verify the setup, Appium provided a Appium Doctor, which helps us identify if our setup is completed successfully or is there any issue with the setup. So for that we need to install Appium Doctor and run it. Then it will show if all the installation process and all the setup is successful without any issue. Then all good. If it shows any issues on the screen with the setup, then we need to fix it. And finally, then we will start our Appium server. So that's how we will be following the installation and Appium installation and setup process. So in the next video, we will start with installing prerequisites. And for those who are watching my video for the first time, I started EPM series where I'm covering all the EPM concepts step by step. So you can go through my old videos available on this channel. Yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.